Still sending campaigns to emails that bounce? Every invalid address costs money, hurts your sender reputation, and hides the real performance of your marketing. If you are searching for the best email verification tools to avoid bounces, meet PureChecker. PureChecker is an affordable email validation checker for marketers, agencies, SaaS teams, and anyone sending email at scale. Create a free account, upload your dirty list in CSV, XLS, TXT, or other common formats, then download a clean list in minutes. The dashboard separates valid, risky, and invalid emails, so your next campaign starts with data you can trust. PureChecker checks domain and SMTP status, spam traps, disposable emails, catch-all domains, syntax errors, hard bounces, MTA records, duplicates, and role-based addresses. You get the essential pro features found in popular tools, with cheaper pay-as-you-go pricing. Plans start at just $3 for 1,000 emails, and every new user gets 100 free credits. Before your next campaign, clean the list behind it. Visit PureChecker.com today. PureChecker. Verify smart. Send clean.